Okay, this is Water Subdivision, and this is a sign on the road going to the community boat ramp there. Gravel road. This ramp's only for the Redwater Estates property owners usage. There is a courtesy dock here as well as a boat ramp located on Kentucky Lake. Quite a few of these lots will also have boat ramps, as this one to the left does. It's April 23rd. We've had a little cold snap. We had some really nice spring weather, and then we actually had just a touch of snow come in. A little cold front, and it's still kind of jacket weather a little bit. It's not bad right now, but this morning I had that jacket on. There's the ramp. Like I say, Kentucky Lake, the elevation right now is about 357.8 or so. Summer pool is 359, so it'll come up another 1.5 feet or so from here. You can see the water was up. They pulled it back down. They try to do it for flood control. Their target date is May 1st for summer pool, and they'll keep that through July 4th, and then gradually pull it down for winter pool. Nice wide ramp. Good clear water. Some of the houses, boat docks. Like I say, this is a community ramp. Basically just launch your boat, tie it off, go. This is land between the lakes, across the river. There's some islands out there. They're kind of hard to discern from the background of the far shore, but there is islands out there. The main channel is on the other side of those islands. Like I say, it's about 60 foot deep out there. That's all land between the lakes. No one lives over there. It's all national forest, about 200,000 acres or so, if I may be wrong on that, but it's somewhere in that area. Looks like this guy has a fish feeder up here. That's a good way to keep the bite going. Beautiful day it is. It started out cloudy, a little cool. Got some nice streaky clouds, but a little bit of that sun. This is Redwater Estates. This is the community ramp and dock. Just to give you an idea, located on Kentucky Lake, Murray, Kentucky. Max Witzler, Elite Realty, 270-853-1911. Thank you very much. Bye.